Hi guys, welcome to Inspired Fingers once more, and today I'm going to be breaking down the happy birthday song I did on the key of E major. So please remember that the key of E major has just 4 sharps as its key signature, which means F sharp, G sharp, C sharp, and D sharp will be the only sharps in that particular key. The rest notes are, natural notes there. Okay, so I'll be starting with the opening phrase of the song, so let's get to listening to that first. Yeah, so that's the opening phrase, which is not part of the song, but just kind of keeps your listeners like wondering, okay, what is it gonna play? So, that's it. So what did I play? I played the E major pentatonic scale in a descending format. So I started from E, went to C sharp, B, G sharp, F sharp, and E. But as I'm landing on that E, I kind of played the 1 on my left hand. Okay. So this is the next chord, and I'm kind of slurring to the B. That's from A sharp, B, so that I can land on that chord on my left hand. So as I'm landing on that B, that's when I'm landing on this left hand chord. And the left hand chord is D sharp, B, C sharp. Alright. The next one is me going from F sharp, G sharp to the A. As I'm landing on that A, that's when I play the left hand chord. And the left hand chord is C sharp, C sharp, A, and B. Alright. So just to help you understand this better, what I'm just doing is like 1, 5, 4. That's what I'm doing. Okay, but in a modernized way. So 1, 5, 4. I hope you get the point. So I hope you get it. So now the next thing I did was to use an arpeggio to conclude this particular section. So that's what I did as an arpeggio. So it's just a mere repetition of 4 notes, I think. So yeah, so that's D sharp, E, A, and B. D sharp, E, A, B. D sharp, E, A, B. But I concluded with the A. So so I landed on that A. Alright? Just to give you that feel. I love playing it at the super speed. Okay? And make sure you're very clean. Like, let your stuff be clean. That's something I love making emphasis on. So that's all for the first segment of the song. I hope you get it. So we'll go to the next part of the song. Thank you.